dust settles on the velvet chairs. The theater breathes a hollow sigh. A lingering note hangs in the air, while cigarette smoke drifts up high. Your shadow moves across the room, a silent dance we always play, wrapped in the scent of rich perfume, and all the words we never say. Silken secrets tense and warm, two wounded hearts caught in a storm, a bittersweet and quiet grace in this forgotten we hold our breath, we hide our eyes beneath the Shanghai evening skies. A heavy gaze you try to break, fragile touch you quickly hide. We know the rules we cannot bend, we know the ache we keep inside. The piano weeps a gentle tune, an elegant yet mournful sound. Under the pale and fading moon, our unspoken love is tightly bound. Silken secrets tense and warm, two wounded hearts caught in a storm, a bittersweet and quiet grace in this forgotten, lonely place. We hold our breath, we hide our eyes beneath the Shanghai evening skies. The 1920s slip away like ash that falls upon the floor. Make time stay and lock the heavy wooden door. But morning comes with brutal light to chase the shadows from the hall. We only have the cover of night before the final curtain falls. Silken secrets tense and warm, two wounded hearts caught in a storm, a bittersweet and quiet grace in this forgotten, lonely place. We hold our breath, we hide our eyes beneath the Shanghai evening skies. The music fades, the smoke clears out, but I still feel you standing near, without a whisper, without a doubt. The finest love I lost in the dark, in the slow refrain. I will wait for the night to bring you back again.
Chandeliers reflect the gold in your eyes. Silken dresses spin on the painted skies. Whispers of the wealthy fade to a home in this grand hall, waiting for you to come. Take my hand in the middle of the floor. We don't need to be strangers anymore. A quiet promise in a classic embrace. Time stands still in this beautiful place. The orchestra rises, the cello sweeps low. I follow the rhythm, I follow your glow. Through diamonds and shadows, we gracefully glide, leaving the world and its noise far behind. Take my hand in the middle of the floor. We don't need to be strangers anymore. A quiet promise in a classic embrace. Time stands still in this beautiful place. No need for the titles, no need for the gold. Just the warmth of your skin in the night, growing bold. A secret we keep while the violins play. A silent devotion that won't fade away. Take my hand in the middle of the floor. We don't need to be strangers anymore. A quiet promise in a classic embrace. Time stands still in this beautiful place. The last waltz is ending, the crowd starts to part, but you've left a permanent mark on my heart. A quiet promise under the chandelier light. My love will remember this high society night. The world is spinning faster than before, and I can feel the pounding at my door. I don't need a savior to fight the tide, I just need you
quietly by my side. Stay with me when the shadows grow long. Be the steady silence inside my song. I don't need you to fix what is broken apart. Just be the understanding in my heart. Hold my hand when I start to sway, and gently love me at the end of the day. There are times my mind is a heavy place, full of worries that I cannot erase. I don't need a lecture on being strong. I just need a place where I belong. Stay with me when the shadows grow long. Be the steady silence inside my song. I don't need you to fix what is broken apart. Just be the understanding in my heart. Hold my hand when I start to sway, and gently love me at the end of the day. Support me like the roots hold the tree, accepting every messy part of me. No judgment in your eyes, just a quiet grace, a silent comfort in a sacred space. Stay with me when the shadows grow long. Be the steady silence inside my song. I don't need you to fix what is broken apart. Just be the understanding in my heart. Hold my hand when I start to sway, and gently love me at the end of the day. Quietly stay, don't slip away. Just be my anchor. Quietly stay.
The world has been so cruel to you, leaving scars upon your skin. But I am here to hold you now and let the healing art begin. Just close your weary, tearful eyes, let go of all the bitter lies. I will heal the wounds you bear, I will keep you in my care. I won't let anyone hurt you tonight, underneath the pale moonlight. So sleep peacefully, my love, protected by the stars above. Find your peace of mind, leave the broken world behind. I stand as guard outside your door to keep the roaring storm at bay. You don't have to fight them anymore. I will chase the ghosts away. Breathe in deep and let it out. I will silence every doubt. I the shelter for your heart. I will heal the wounds you bear. I will keep you in my care. I won't let anyone hurt you tonight. Underneath the pale moonlight, so sleep peacefully, my love, protected by the stars above. Find your peace of mind. Leave the broken world behind. Sleep gracefully, sleep sound in this sanctuary you have found. I will protect you, I will stay until the shadows fade today. Find your peace of mind. Sleep peacefully. I look out the window at the pouring rain, wishing we could board a midnight train, leave this loud city and the heavy skies, and find a place where the sunlight lies. Just you and me, leaving it all behind, seeking a quiet that we'll never find. I wanna run away with you to the ends of the earth, to a peaceful paradise, a beautiful rebirth. Just a little wish I keep holding in my heart, a quiet happy life where we'd never have to part. But the cold wind blows and the fantasy is true, because I know it can't come true. We've got our duties and our bills to pay. The chains of the world keep us locked in today. But sometimes I close my heavy eyes and picture our secret sweet paradise, a cabin by the water, sky of endless blue, a hidden little heaven for me and you. I wanna run away with you to the ends of the earth, to a peaceful paradise, a beautiful rebirth. Just a little wish I keep holding in my heart, a quiet happy life where we'd never have to part. But the cold wind blows and the fantasy is true, because I know it can't come true. I know the real world doesn't work that way. We have to face the music, we have to stay. But knowing it's impossible makes it so sweet. A little sanctuary when I'm feeling beat. It's a bittersweet sorrow, a gentle aching pain, to know we'll always stay right here in the rain. So I'll hold on to the dream of the earth's fore end, my beautiful escape, my imaginary friend. peaceful little wish for me and you, even though I know it can't come true. No, I know it can't come true. Just a little wish fading out of you.
I see the restless ocean in your eyes. You need to sail away to claim your prize. I know you have a mountain left to climb, and I won't be the one to steal your time. I won't hold you down, I won't block the door. I know exactly what you're leaving for. Just promise me you'll remember this shore. I will wait for you forever, no matter where you roam. Go and chase your shooting star. I will be your home when the victory is yours and the wild wind starts to fade. Please come back to my arms, to the calm love we made. A quiet heart beats steady in my chest. I know you cannot settle, cannot rest. So pack your dreams and take the open road. I'll stay behind to lighten up your load. I won't hold you down, I won't block the door. I know exactly what you're leaving for. Just promise me you'll remember this shore. I will wait for you forever, no matter where you roam. Go and chase your shooting star. I will be your home when the victory is yours and the wild wind starts to fade. Please come back to my arms, to the calm love we made. I beg you, keep my memory like a locket in your hand while you conquer every mountain, while you walk across the land. I am anchored in the silence, I am rooted in the ground. I will be right standing here when you finally turn around. I will wait for you forever, no matter where you roam. Go and chase your shooting star. I will be your home when the victory is yours and the wild wind starts to fade. Please come back to my arms, to the calm love we made. I'll wait with a calm heart. I'll wait in the quiet. Just come back to me when your soul is complete. I'll be waiting. We stand at the edge where the pavement ends. The wind is shifting, my dearest friend. No heavy tears falling from my eyes. We don't need the weight of a long goodbye. You've got a journey calling your name, and I've got a fire I need to tame. I won't swear upon the stars above or make heavy vows to prove my love. No contracts written in the sand. I'm just letting go of your hand. I won't promise to meet you again. No words bound in stone or in pen, but deep in my soul I know that we will, when the storms pass over and the world stands still. That's why you won't see a tear on my face. I'm not afraid of the time or the space. I believe in us through the gray and the blue. I believe in me, and I believe in you. The future's a map that we cannot read, but hope is the water and faith is the seed. We'll walk our own roads, however they bend, knowing this moment is not the true end. I'll smile as I watch you turn to the light, walking away, disappearing from sight. I won't swear upon the stars above or make heavy vows to prove my love. No contracts written in the sand. I'm just letting go of your hand. I won't promise to meet you again. No words bound in stone or in pen, but deep in my soul I know that we will, when the storms pass over and the world stands still. That's why you won't see a tear on my face. I'm not afraid of the time or the space. I believe in us through the gray and the blue. I believe in me, and I believe in you. Destiny works in the quietest ways, guiding us through the invisible maze. So go on and conquer the mountains you find, leave all the sorrow and worry behind. I won't promise to meet you again. No words bound in stone or in pen, but deep in my soul I know that we will, when the storms pass over and the world stands still. That's why you won't see a tear on my face. I'm not afraid of the time or the space. I believe in us through the gray and the blue. I believe in me, and I believe in you. No promises made, no need to be saved, just a quiet truth. I believe in you. until we meet again.